What's poppin' Dreamy Celebs? It's your girl Dream Girl Tat, and you're watching Dreamy Celebs TV. Today we're going to do a slick back ponytail with a pretty girl swoop. So let's get into it. So the product that I just used on her hair was our Dreamy Celebs Heat Protecting Spray. I'm gonna flatten her hair and just give it one pass all the way through. My client doesn't have too thin or too thick hair, so it was easy to straighten her hair out for the style that we're going for today. Now that I've finished flattering, I'm just going to go through her scalp and grease it with some shea butter. Like, she has a really dry scalp, so I want to make sure her scalp is moisturized under this ponytail. I've learned when doing slick back ponytails, you don't want to leave out too much hair in the swoop area because then it will be a little bit too difficult to swoop all of the hair back. I'm going to go in with the Dreamy Celeb wax stick just to hot comb all the areas that didn't get it straight, like towards the root area. And I know, it looks like I'm handling her head very rough, but I am not. I do not know why her head is swinging around like that. To get her hair sleek, I'm going to go through 3 separate sections and just spray it with the Got to Be glue spray and then blow dry it in the direction that I want it to go before putting a rubber band on it. Throughout this process, you'll see me switching from my Got to Be glue spray to my spritz. I just want to make sure this hairstyle has a firm hold. I don't want it to mess up while she's sleeping or anything.
Scene 98.
The hair that we're using for her swoop is a beauty supply store brand by the name of Natural Dream. I must say that I really like this hair. It's my first time using it, but I like the texture, I like the flexibility, and I like the natural shine that it has. It really matches her hair really, really well, and it flatters nice as well too. So the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. You guys will enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at dreamy.celebs. I am located in Memphis, Tennessee. So if you're in the area and you're interested in services, please message me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If I have not said that, I cannot stress that enough. Please subscribe. You guys will be doing me a huge favor.
Scene 98. Scene 98. Scene 98.
Again, you guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Instagram at dreamy.celebs and follow my personal page as well. Thank you.